Hi and welcome to Lesson 5 of Catalog Visibility Options for WooCommerce, Configuring Product Level Visibility. In this video, I will show you how to configure product level visibility using the Catalog Visibility Options plugin. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Products and click on All Products. Now edit a product. Once you're in the product editor, scroll down to Product Data and click on the Restrictions tab. Here you can see settings for who can view the product, purchase the product, and view the product's price. You can configure each setting individually to use category settings, be available to everyone, or be restricted to specific roles. To set location-based visibility for this product, click on the drop-down menu under What locations can view this product, and select specific locations. In target locations, add your target country. In Who can view this product, you can use the category settings, make it visible to everyone, or assign specific roles. Now select the roles for which you want to display this product. You can also configure restrictions to who can purchase the product in the same way. This includes using category settings, making it available to everyone, setting visibility by specific role, allowed locations, or restricted locations. Configure your restrictions by location under Target Locations. We can also add restrictions to who can view the product prices using the same process. Select the roles that will be able to see the prices. Now scroll up and go to Product Categories. If the product belongs to multiple categories, the visibility settings from the first category alphabetically will take precedence. Keep this in mind when assigning these categories. Once the settings are added, scroll up and click the Update button. And that's it. With these settings, you can easily control the visibility for individual products. That wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.